The master plan of drama. Learn the art of seeing the bright side of every happening.
कोई को संशय आता है
If someone has a doubt,
तो इसमें संशय की कोई बात तो है नहीं,
well, there is no question of any doubt in this.
क्योंकि याद तो शिव बाबा को करना है.
It is because we have to remember Shiv Baba.
उनमें संशय की तो कोई बात ही नहीं उठ सकती है.
There can't be any question of doubt in it.
और संशय करके क्या करेगा?
In fact, what will someone do after having a doubt?
अच्छा,
Acha,
रूठ जाएगा.
he will become upset.
समझेगा पता नहीं यहाँ क्या है,
He will think, who knows what happens here?
ऐसी ऐसी बात यहाँ क्यों होती है.
Why do such things happen here?
नहीं,
No,
ये संकल्प हम उठा ही नहीं सकते,
we can't have this thought at all.
कह ही नहीं सकते हैं.
We can't say this at all.
बस
That's it.
जो होता है देखते हैं 60% बाई सेकंड, वो कला पहले भी मुआफिक होता ही रहता है.
Whatever happens in the world second by second, it keeps happening like in the previous cycle.
बच्चों का कल्याण किसमें है?
What is beneficial for the children?
बाप को याद करना और औरों को रास्ते बता जाना.
Remembering the father and showing the path to others.
ये है बाप की सर्विस में तुम बच्चों का काम.
This is the duty of you children in the service of the father.
मुरझाने की कोई बात नहीं है.
There is no question of wilting.
ऐसे नहीं कि शिकल ही मूर्छित हो जावे.
It shouldn't be that your face falls.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Not at all.
ये तो भाभी है ड्रामा की.
This is the predestined drama.
ये भाभी ड्रामा में चलती है.
It is predestined in the drama.
बाप कहते हैं बच्चे मैं कल्याणकारी हूँ.
The father says, children, I am beneficial.
हर एक बात में कल्याण करता हूँ.
I bring about your benefit in every aspect.
जो भी जिसमें तुम समझते हो कि ये होता है,
For whatever you think that it happens,
नहीं, जो भी होता है उसमें कल्याण है.
no, whatever happens, there is benefit in it.
कल्याण ही कल्याण है.
There is benefit and only benefit.
The one with the faithful intellect can never be defeated. Those with a faithful intellect also free others from defeat. Then how can they themselves be defeated? So, faith is the foundation of becoming victorious. If the foundation is strong, the building can't shake. You are carefree. If the foundation is weak, you will have fear with any coming storm or a slight earthquake, thinking, our building shouldn't fall or crack. However, you will be fearless if the foundation is strong. Similarly, if the foundation of faith is strong, no storm can shake you. So, are you so victorious, or is there a crack sometimes? Or do the windows or the glasses indoors shake sometimes? What happens if a storm blows up or if there is a quake? You don't shake, do you? To be stable in tumult, this is called being a victorious gem with a faithful intellect. You shouldn't have faith just in the Father, but also in yourselves and the drama. Vah drama vah. If you have faith in the drama, something harmful will also change into benefit. There is so much power in faith. It will seem like a loss, but will contain a secret benefit. Such a form will also come first in order to shake you, but it can't really shake you. Avyaktvani dated 21st December 1989, page 96, end.
तुम बच्चों को चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए.
You children shouldn't worry.
भगवान बाप भी जैसे कल्याणकारी है, वैसे इस रंगमंच का, षष्ठी रूपी रंगमंच का ड्रामा भी कल्याणकारी है.
Just as God the Father is beneficial, similarly, The drama of the stage-like world is also beneficial.
चले गए तो ठोकर खाएंगे संसार की।
If you go away, you will suffer the blows of the world.
ठोकर खा करके ठाकुर बन करके फिर आ जाएंगे।
You will suffer blows, become a master and come again.
अकल्याण की कोई बात नहीं।
There is no question of harm.
तो इस सच्ची रूपी ड्रामा के ऊपर भी तो चलना पड़े।
So you have to follow this world drama too.
जिससे हमको कोई भी फिक्र न रहे।
Then you won't have any worries.
Is the date of the examination declared? Will something that is declared earlier itself be called an examination? Something that takes place suddenly is an examination. Avyaktavani dated 21st January 1969, page 21, middle.
तो बुद्ध रूपी पांव अटल रहना चाहिए।
So your intellect in the form of feet should be immovable.
हिलना नहीं चाहिए।
It shouldn't shake.
ड्रामा जो बना हुआ है वो कल्याणकारी है या अकल्याणकारी है?
Is the drama that has been created beneficial or is it harmful? Student, it is beneficial.
कल्याणकारी ड्रामा है तो उसमें जो कुछ भी हो रहा है
If the drama is beneficial, whatever is happening in it,
है, मान लो मधुबन वालों को मधुबन छोड़ना पड़ा और गीता पाठशाला वालों को गीता पाठशाला छोड़नी पड़ी।
suppose the residents of Madhuban had to leave Madhuban and the residents of Gita Pathshala had to leave Gita Pathshala.
माया ने सबको जीता
Maya gained victory over everyone.
तो कल्याणकारी हुआ या अकल्याणकारी हुआ?
Was it beneficial or was it harmful?
है? क्या कहेंगे?
What will you say?
है? कल्याणकारी हुआ।
Students, it is beneficial. It was beneficial.
अरे कह तो दिया कल्याणकारी हुआ और मन अंदर से घुटघुटाता रहा।
Arey, you did say that it was beneficial, but your mind continued to become restless from within.
तो कैसे कल्याणकारी हुआ?
Then, how was it beneficial?
है? क्यों?
Why?
ऊपर से तो कह दिया कल्याणकारी हुआ
You said it superficially that it is beneficial.
क्योंकि बाबा ने कहा ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है।
Because Baba has said that drama is beneficial.
बाबा की बात कैसे काटें?
You thought, how can I contradict Baba's words?
लेकिन अंदर से दिल स्वीकार करता है।
However, does your heart accept it from within?
है? नहीं करता।
Students, it doesn't. Doesn't it?
इसका मतलब ज्ञान की कमी है, पहचान की कमी है।
It means there is lack of knowledge and recognition.
बाप को पहचाना नहीं है।
You haven't recognized the Father.
ज्ञान का कोई न कोई पॉइंट मिस हुआ है।
You have missed some or the other point of knowledge.
नहीं तो ऐसे टाइम पर भी कभी नहीं कहें, कभी दिल ये गंवारा न करे कि ड्रामा कल्याणकारी हुआ।
Otherwise, you should never say that even at such time, your heart should never accept that drama was harmful.
क्यों?
Why?
मधुबन वालों को मधुबन छोड़ना पड़ा, गीता पाठशाला वालों को गीता पाठशाला छोड़नी पड़ी।
The residents of Madhuban had to leave Madhuban and the residents of Gita Pathshala had to leave Gita Pathshala.
ज्ञान सरोवर वालों को ज्ञान सरोवर छोड़ना पड़ा। अरे सब झूठा है।
The residents of Gyan Sarovar had to leave the Gyan Sarovar, thinking, "Arey, everything is false."
है? कोई एडवांस वेडवांस ज्ञान नहीं,
There is no advanced knowledge.
सब झूठी बातें।
Everything is false.
तो ये कल्याणकारी होगा या कल्याणकारी होगा?
So, will this be beneficial or harmful? Students, beneficial.
कह दिया फिर कल्याणकारी होगा।
You again said that it will be beneficial.
दिल तो मानता है, दिल तो मानता है।
Student, our heart doesn't accept it.
दिल तो मानता नहीं।
The heart doesn't accept it.
पीछे का राज क्या है? मतलब पीछे का कुछ तो राज होगा।
Student, Baba, what is the secret behind it?
इसका राज यही है कि बुद्धि में पूरा ज्ञान नहीं है।
The secret is there isn't complete knowledge in the intellect.
बाप की पूरी पहचान नहीं है
You don't have the complete recognition of the Father.
कि वो बाप का पार्ट कौन सा है जो माया जिसको तोड़ नहीं सकेगी।
Whose part Maya can't break.
सब ज्ञान को झूठा माने, लेकिन बाप अनिश्चय बुद्धि नहीं बनेगा।
Everyone can consider the knowledge to be false, but the Father won't become the one with the doubting intellect.
और दूसरा, एक तो बाप की पहचान की कमी,
And secondly, one is the lack of recognition of the Father.
और दूसरा ये ज्ञान की कमी है कि अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो माला कैसे बनेगी 1 2 3 4 5।
And the other is the lack of this point of knowledge that if this doesn't happen, how will the rosary be formed? How will the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth number be declared?
माला बन जाएगी,
Will the rosary be formed?
है? नहीं बनेगी।
It won't.
ये होना भी जरूरी है।
It is also necessary for this to happen.
और माला कोई एक प्रकार की नहीं है।
Anyways, the rosary isn't of just one kind.
फर्स्ट क्लास माला है, सेकंड क्लास माला है, और धर्म वालों की भी मालाएं हैं।
There is the first class rosary, the second class rosary. There are the rosaries of other religions too,
जो अव्यक्तवाणी में बोला,
for which it was said in the Avyaktavani,
ऐसे नहीं समझना हम तो 108 की माला में नहीं आवेंगे।
you shouldn't think that you won't come in the rosary of 108 beats.
वो तो जिनको आना था सो आ गए।
Those who had to come in it have come.
क्या बोला अव्यक्तवाणी में?
What was said in the Avyaktavani?
और भी मालाएं बना देंगे।
I will form even more rosaries.
तो वो मालाएं कैसे बनेंगी?
So, how will those rosaries be formed?
बनेंगी या नहीं बनेंगी?
Will they be formed or not? Students, they will.
तो मधुबन वालों को मधुबन न छोड़ना पड़े, गीता पाठशाला वालों को गीता पाठशाला न छोड़नी पड़े।
So, if the residents of Madhuban don't have to leave Madhuban, and if the residents of Gita Pathshala don't have to leave Gita Pathshala,
फिर माला बन जाएगी?
will the rosary be formed?
नहीं बनेगी।
It won't.
Whatever happens in the drama is just full of benefit. If you are always aware of this, you will keep saving earnings. Sensible children will think this itself. Whatever happens is beneficial. The question of why, what, can't arise within the sensible ones. If you are aware that this confluence age is the beneficial age, the Father is also beneficial, then you will attain an elevated stage. Even if you see a loss externally, you should have such faith that you think, this loss also contains benefit. When there is the Father's company and involvement, there can't be any harm. Now, many examinations will take place. The questions of what, why, shouldn't arise in it. No matter what happens, let it happen. The Father is ours, and we are the Father's. Then, no one can do anything. This is called having a faithful intellect. Let the situation change, but you shouldn't change. This is faith. Avyaktvani dated 7th March 1981, page 3, end.
जो निराकारी स्टेज में होगा उसको कोई संकल्प नहीं आएगा.
The one who is in the incorporeal stage, he won't have any thought.
जैसे 20 बार अंदर में पैदा होती है बात, ऐसा क्यों हुआ, वैसा क्यों हुआ, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Just like a thought comes scores of time within. Why did this happen? Why did that happen? This and that shouldn't happen.
जब निराकारी स्टेज है कुछ भी होता रहे, जो ड्रामा में नूद है वो होता है.
When you have the incorporeal stage, no matter what keeps happening, you will think whatever is recorded in the drama is happening.
और ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है या अकल्याणकारी?
And is drama beneficial or is it harmful? Students, it is beneficial.
कल्याणकारी ड्रामा बीज रूपी स्टेज वाले के लिए है या साकारी के लिए है?
Is drama beneficial for the one who is in the seed form stage or for the one who is corporeal? Students, for the one who is in the seed form stage.
जो बीज रूपी स्टेज धारण कर ली, संपन्न स्टेज धारण कर ली, आत्मा परम धाम वासी हो गई, तो कल्याणकारी ही कल्याण.
When you have attained the seed form stage, the complete stage, the soul became the resident of the subtle world. There is just benefit in it.
आज ही तो मुरली में आया.
It was mentioned in the Murli today itself.
क्या
What?
अच्छे संस्कार आत्मा में कहाँ होते हैं?
Where are good sanskars present in the soul?
परमधाम में निराकारी स्टेज.
In the supreme abode, in the incorporeal stage.
निराकारी स्टेज है तो कल्याण ही कल्याण.
If you have the incorporeal stage, there is just benefit.
और देवान की स्टेज है तो अकल्याण ही अकल्याण.
And if you have the body conscious stage, there is just harm in it.
All the parts of the drama have some deep secret. He will keep telling you, time to time, what secret it contains. Avyaktvani dated 23rd January 1969, page 18, end.
बनी बनाई बन रही, अब कुछ बननी ना है.
Whatever has been predetermined is being enacted. Nothing new is to be enacted now.
चिंता ताकि कीजिए जो अनहोनी होए.
Worry about something that hasn't happened before.
जो कुछ ड्रामा में नूद है वो ही हो रहा है.
Whatever has been predetermined in the drama is being enacted.
और ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है,
And the drama is beneficial.
इसलिए कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है.
This is why there is no need to worry.
जो होगा कल्याणकारी ड्रामा में सब कल्याण ही कल्याण होगा.
Whatever happens, everything will be beneficial in the beneficial drama.
शिव बाबा कल्याणकारी,
Shiv Baba is beneficial.
ये ड्रामा कल्याणकारी.
This drama is beneficial.
हम आत्माओं का पार्ट कल्याणकारी.
The part of us souls is beneficial.
हम बाप के बच्चे हैं.
We are the children of the Father.
दूसरे धर्म वाले अपने अपने धर्म पिताओं के बच्चे हैं.
The followers of other religions are the children of their respective religious father.
उनको घाटा हो सकता है, हमको कोई घाटा होने वाला नहीं.
They can suffer loss, but we aren't going to suffer any loss.
हम डायरेक्ट बाप के बच्चे हैं.
We are the direct children of the Father,
सुप्रीम सोल के बच्चे.
the children of the Supreme Soul.
When someone doesn't have any kind of doubt in any situation, at the time of any obstacle, it is called faith. Situations are certain to change. They will keep changing. Avyaktvani dated 21st January 1969, page 19, middle.
निश्चय की निशानी निश्चिंत.
The sign of faith, that is Nishchay, is being carefree, that is Nishchint.
ये निशानी है निश्चय बुद्धियों की.
This is a sign of those with a faithful intellect.
निश्चिंत होकर के पुरुषार्थ करेंगे.
They will be carefree and make Purusharth.
जो होगा
Whatever has to happen.
क्या होगा?
What will happen?
जो होगा वो अच्छा होगा.
Whatever has to happen, it will be for the good.
ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है या कल्याणकारी?
Is drama beneficial or harmful?
ड्रामा कल्याणकारी.
Drama is beneficial.
Does everyone move ahead seeing every scene of the drama with this very awareness, va drama va? Don't you worry seeing any scene? When you have received the knowledge of the drama, the present time is the beneficial age. Whatever scenes come before you, they are beneficial. Even if you aren't able to know the present, the benefit hidden in the future will be revealed. If you remember va drama va, you will always stay happy. You will never be upset about your Purusharth. There will automatically be the service of many people through you. Avyaktvani dated 28th December 1978, page 3, end.
जो भी पास्ट हो गया उसका कुछ भी कर नहीं सकते.
Whatever has passed, nothing can be done about it.
चेंज नहीं हो सकता.
It can't change.
जो पास्ट हुआ एक कल्प के बाद फिर वही पास्ट होगा.
Whatever has passed, the same will happen after a cycle.
समझा सकते हैं कि आगे के लिए ठीक कर देना चाहिए.
You can explain. You should correct it for the future.
परंतु पास्ट में जो हो गया सो हो गया.
But whatever happened in the past is past.
इस समय तुम फिक्र से फारिग बन रहे हो.
Now you are becoming free from worries.
और एक जन्म के लिए फारिग नहीं हो रहे हो.
And you aren't becoming free from worries for just one birth.
21 जन्म के लिए फिक्र से फारिग होते हो.
But for the 21 births.
वहाँ नई दुनिया में तुमको कोई भी फिक्रात नहीं होगी.
There, in the new world, you won't worry about anything.
अभी क्यों फिक्रात होती है?
Why do you worry now?
अभी इसलिए फिक्रात होती है कि घड़ी घड़ी देहवान आता है.
Now you worry because you become body conscious again and again.
वहाँ नई दुनिया में देहवान आएगा ही नहीं.
There, in the new world, you won't become body conscious at all.
सदैव आत्माभिमानी होकर के रहेंगे.
You will be soul conscious forever.
अभी तुम आत्माभिमानी बनना सीख रहे हो.
Now you are learning to become soul conscious.
फिर भी कहेंगे जो बीता सो ड्रामा.
Still, it will be said, whatever passed is drama.
हमने पूरा पुरुषार्थ नहीं किया.
We didn't make the complete Purusharth.
टाइम वेस्ट हो गया.
The time got wasted.
तो पास्ट का फिक्र नहीं करना चाहिए.
So you shouldn't worry about the past.
वर्तमान को सुधारना है.
You have to reform the present.
कोई भी पास्ट में नुकसान हो गया तो ड्रामा.
If there was any lost in the past, you should think it is drama.
फिक्रात नहीं करना चाहिए.
You shouldn't worry about it.
ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है या कल्याणकारी?
Is the drama beneficial or harmful?
ड्रामा तो कल्याणकारी है.
It is certainly beneficial.
जैसे शिव बाबा कल्याणकारी है वैसे ड्रामा भी कल्याणकारी है.
Just as Shiv Baba is beneficial, drama is also beneficial.
और कल्याणकारी ड्रामा में हमारा पार्ट भी है कल्याणकारी है.
And in the beneficial drama, our part is also beneficial.
इसलिए जो भी पास्ट हो गया, अगर समझते हैं कि कुछ खराब हो गया, नुकसान हो गया, तो भी समझना चाहिए कि ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है। अभी पूरा ज्ञान न होने के कारण हम नुकसानदायक समझते हैं।
This is why, whatever has passed, if you think that something bad or harmful happened, still, you should consider that drama is beneficial. Now, due to lack of knowledge, we consider it to be harmful.
लेकिन जब ड्रामा का राज खुलेगा, तब पता चलेगा कि जो हुआ सो अच्छा हुआ।
But when the secret of the drama unfurls, you will come to know whatever happened, it happened for the good.
यहाँ पर तो अनेक प्रकार के नुकसान आदि होते ही रहते हैं।
Here you keep incurring many losses.
क्योंकि कर्मातीत अवस्था कोई की भी नहीं हुई है।
It is because no one has attained the karmatit stage.
कर्मातीत अवस्था हो जाएगी, फिर कोई भी प्रकार का नुकसान तुम्हारे सामने महसूस नहीं होगा।
If you attain the karmatit stage, you won't experience any loss.
अभी तुम बच्चे पुरुषार्थ कर रहे हो कि कोई भी बात का हमको फिक्र नहीं हो।
Now, you children are making purusharth for not worrying about anything.
Those who are experienced in the point of drama, they will always be stable in the stage of being a neutral observer. They will be constant, stable, and steady. Those who are stable in such stage are called the embodiment of experience. Though the result is good or bad externally, the soul who is experienced in the point of drama will never see badness even in the bad, but he will see just goodness. It means the path of self-welfare will be visible to him. The account of harm has been settled. Now, the account of benefit has started as you have become the children of the beneficial Father, as it is the beneficial age. You will always be stable with this knowledge and the authority of experience. Avyakt Vani dated 11th March 1981, page 1, middle.
जो हुआ सब अच्छा हुआ इस जन्म में।
Whatever happened in this birth, it happened for good.
बहुत कल्याणकारी हुआ। अगर ये न हुआ होता तो पता नहीं हमारा क्या हाल होता।
It was very beneficial. Hadn't it happened, who knows what would have become of us?
वो ऐसा ही होता है।
हैं?
वो ऐसा ही होता है।
Student, does the same thing happen?
ऐसा ही होना चाहिए।
The same thing should happen.
Every time.
Student, every time.
हाँ जी।
Yes.
हर कल्प के अंत में, अंतिम जन्म में जैसा हमारे साथ घटित हुआ है, जैसा ड्रामा हमारा बना है, ऐसा ही बनना हमारा बहुत कल्याणकारी है।
At the end of every cycle, in the last birth, whatever has happened with us, whatever drama of ours was created, it is very beneficial that it was created that way.
फिर उसमें चेंज करने के लिए कोई रास्ता?
Student, is there no way to change it?
जब कल्याणकारी तो क्यों चेंज करना चाहिए?
When it is beneficial, why change it?
हैं?
सब कल्याणकारी है।
Student, everything is beneficial.
जो हुआ वो बहुत कल्याणकारी है।
Whatever has happened, it is very beneficial.
और होने
अज्ञान न होने की वजह से हम ऐसा समझते हैं, ऐसा न होता तो अच्छा होता।
Because of not having knowledge, we think, hadn't it happened, it would be very good.
लेकिन आगे चल करके पता चलेगा कि यही होना चाहिए था हमारे साथ।
However, we will come to know later on, this alone should have happened with us.
नहीं तो हम सुधरने वाले नहीं थे।
Otherwise, we weren't going to reform.
In the end of the drama, there are wonderful parts, aren't there? Those who don't have knowledge, they will definitely become unconscious there itself. Murli dated 30th May 1972, page 3, middle.
तो हे मीठे बच्चे,
So, O sweet children,
बीती बात कितनी खौफनाक हो,
no matter how fearsome the past is,
कितनी भी घटना हो,
no matter how bad the circumstances turn out to be,
उनको योग बल से उड़ाए देना है।
you should get over them through the power of yoga.
बोले ये ड्रामा की भाभी।
You should say, it is the predestined drama.
When you say the beneficial father, the beneficial life, many kinds of benefit are merged in everything spoken by God. Why do you shake the foundation of a faithful intellect with the thought, why and how did he say this? If your foundation shakes because of these slight storms, how will it last in the major storm of the great destruction? This is certainly the storm of just your waste thoughts. But in the great destruction, there will be many kinds of storms everywhere. Then what will you do? Despite getting time for the future, finding company, receiving many kinds of treasures, and making attainments, why are you eager for the end because of such a trivial matter? Be patient in the days of happiness. Don't be impatient thinking about when and why. Put an end to the storm of your own waste thoughts. Become prosperous and strong. Always have a faithful intellect. Take an advantage of the beneficial father and the beneficial time every second. You won't find such prosperous, fortunate days, the days of accompanying the maker of fortune again in the entire cycle. You will remember this time of attainments even at the time of destruction. This is why the scene of the drama that is going on for the benefit according to the drama, see it becoming Trikaldarshi. Become the powerful souls with zeal and enthusiasm, stay powerful and also make the world powerful. Don't tire of breaking stones. Don't shake because of your storms. Be steady. Did you understand what do you do and what do you have to do? Bap Dada had this very spiritual chit-chat as to how the children play. Now, play the game of being powerful. All these games will end through it. Instead of being disheartened, your heart should always be pleased. Now, offer such thoughts in this great yagya. Don't take them along with you. Offer them forever. Avyaktvani dated 14th December 1978, page 2, beginning.
हर बात में खुश होना चाहिए।
You should be happy in everything.
हाँ, अब सिर्फ ये देखना है अभी वर्तमान में हमसे कोई भूल तो नहीं हो रही है।
You just have to check, am I making any mistake at present?
अगर हम अपने पुरुषार्थ से संतुष्ट नहीं है तो जरूर कहीं न कहीं श्रीमत का उल्लंघन हम कर रहे हैं।
If you aren't satisfied with your Purusharth, you are certainly violating the Srimad somewhere.
वो बात देखनी है।
You have to check that.
इस ब्राह्मणों की संगनी की दुनिया में कुछ भी अकल्याण नहीं।
Nothing is harmful in this confluence age world of Brahmins.
जहाँ अकल्याण देखने में आता है, दुख देखने में आता है, तो समझो अज्ञान है।
Wherever you see harm or sorrow, consider that it is ignorance.
ज्ञान की दृष्टि अभी नहीं आई है।
You haven't got the vision of knowledge yet.
दृष्टि संकुचित है।
Your vision is narrow.
84 जन्मों के चक्र को एक दृष्टि से देखने की दृष्टि नहीं है।
You don't have the vision to see the cycle of 84 births.
In future, you have to see many places. When you have courage, you will see many things. You have to see many things in future. However, you must take steps very carefully. If you don't move carefully, you will come across a pit somewhere and even have accidents. Avyaktvani dated 15th February 1969, page 40, middle.
ज्ञान बुद्धि में जिसके होगा ये संगम युग कल्याणकारी युग है, बाप कल्याणकारी है और ये सारा ड्रामा ही कल्याणकारी है, तो वर्तमान में प्रसन्न रहेगा कि भविष्य और अपना पास्ट के लिए देखेगा।
The one who has knowledge in the intellect that the confluence age is a beneficial age the father is beneficial and this entire drama is beneficial, will he be happy in the present or will he think about the future and the past?
ज्ञान तो यही कहता है,
This is what knowledge says.
ज्ञानी आत्मा की बुद्धि में रहना चाहिए
It should be in the intellect of the knowledgeable souls.
कि ड्रामा भी कल्याणकारी, 5000 वर्ष का ड्रामा कल्याणकारी या कल्याणकारी?
Drama is beneficial. Is the drama of 5,000 years beneficial or is it harmful?
कल्याणकारी।
It is beneficial.
और बाप वो भी कल्याणकारी जो हमें मिला है।
And the father whom we have found is also beneficial.
और हमारा पार्ट भी,
And our part,
हमारा पार्ट भी कल्याणकारी।
that is also beneficial.
भले थोड़े समय के लिए देखने में आता है कि कुछ कल्याण हो रहा है, लेकिन रिजल्ट में वो भी कल्याणकारी साबित होगा।
Though it seems to us for some time that something harmful is happening, the result of even that will prove to be beneficial.
ये है कल्याणकारी संगम युग।
This is the auspicious confluence age.
इसमें जो भी ब्रह्मा बाप का बच्चा बना, ब्राह्मण बना, उसका किसी बात में अकल्याण नहीं हो सकता।
In it, whoever became the child of Father Brahma, a Brahmin, he can't be harmed in any way.
भले थोड़े समय के लिए अकल्याण देखने में आता है, लेकिन लास्ट में सबकी समझ में आ जाएगा। इस ड्रामा में जो कुछ हुआ, जो सीन भी सामने आई, अज्ञानता के कारण दर्दनाक लगी।
Though you see some harm for some time, everyone will understand in the end. Whatever happened in this drama, whichever scene came before us, we found it painful because of ignorance.
लेकिन वो दर्दनाक सीन भी अकल्याणकारी नहीं हो सकती।
But that painful scene can't be harmful either.
उसमें भी कल्याण भरा हुआ है।
There is benefit in it as well.
इसमें अतिरिक्त पुरुषार्थ करना चाहिए संगम युग में।
This is why you should make Purusharth nicely in the confluence age.
इस ड्रामा में संशय की कोई बात नहीं है।
There is no question of doubt in this drama.
ड्रामा में कभी संशय नहीं है। जैसे बाप में संशय नहीं आना चाहिए, वैसे ड्रामा में भी कभी कोई संशय नहीं आना चाहिए। बाप भी कल्याणकारी तो ड्रामा भी कल्याणकारी।
You should never have a doubt in the drama. Just as you shouldn't have doubt on the father, similarly, you should never have a doubt in the drama. The father is beneficial, so the drama is also beneficial.
कुछ उल्टा पलटा हो जाए,
If something goes wrong,
कोई दुखी हो जाए,
if someone becomes sorrowful,
रोना पीटना करने लगे,
if someone starts crying,
तो कहे ड्रामा बेकार है।
they say, the drama is worse.
ड्रामा बहुत अकल्याणकारी,
Drama is very inauspicious.
दुखदायी है। ऐसा ड्रामा भगवान ने क्यों बनाया?
It is sorrow giving. Why did God make such drama?
जो सब रो रहे हैं, सब दुखी हो रहे हैं।
That all are crying, all are becoming unhappy.
नहीं,
No.
जो कुछ भी हो रहा है ड्रामा में सब कल्याणकारी।
Whatever is happening in the drama is all beneficial.
अभी हम अज्ञानी हैं तो हमें ड्रामा में अकल्याण दिखाई पड़ता है।
Now we are ignorant, so we see harm in the drama.
जब हमारी बुद्धि में ज्ञान अच्छी तरह बैठ जाएगा तो ड्रामा में कोई भी एक्ट, किसी की भी कोई भी प्रकार की हमको दुख की भाषा नहीं आवेगी।
When knowledge sits properly in our intellect, no act of anybody in the drama will make us feel sorrowful.
ज्ञान माना ही सुख,
Knowledge itself means happiness.
ज्ञान इतनी पराकाष्ठा में बुद्धि में बैठा हुआ होना चाहिए कि कोई भी स्थिति हो, कोई भी परिस्थिति हो, कोई भी वातावरण हो, कैसे भी दुखदायी मनुष्य हो, कैसे भी बगुलों के बीच में रहना पड़े, फिर भी उनके बीच में प्रसन्नता न जाने पाए।
Knowledge should be seated in the intellect to such a zenith that no matter what the condition is, what the circumstances are, how the atmosphere is, what kind of sorrow-giving people there are, You may have to stay amidst whatever kind of herons. Still, your happiness shouldn't disappear by living amongst them.
Many people will utter words to shake your faith. Many will spread the voice. Now let us see how this organization works. However, they don't know that your support is imperishable. Secondly, you also have to take care that no matter how someone tries to shake you, you mustn't shake your feet like Angad, which is the praise of you children of the previous cycle. Those with such faith, who have a steady intellect, who are constant, they will pass the last examination that is to take place. Avyaktvani dated 21st January 1969, page 22, middle.
ज्ञान की पराकाष्ठा ऐसी हो जाती है कि वो कोई भी स्थिति में, कोई भी परिस्थिति में, कोई भी समस्या आए, वो अपने को क्या करेगा? मोल्ड करेगा सुख की स्थिति में.
The zenith of knowledge is such, no matter what the situation is, what the circumstances are, what problems occur, he will mold himself into a joyful state.
ड्रामा को अकल्याणकारी साबित नहीं करेगा.
He won't prove drama to be harmful.
क्या?
What?
हर हालत में ड्रामा कल्याणकारी.
Drama is beneficial in every situation.
कुछ भी हो जाए,
No matter what happens,
खुशी न जाए.
you shouldn't lose happiness.
अगर हम दुखी हो गए ब्राह्मण जीवन में, तो दुख की शूटिंग हो रही है या सुख की शूटिंग हो रही है?
If you become sad in the Brahmin life, is the shooting of sorrow performed or is the shooting of happiness performed?
दुख की शूटिंग हुई.
The shooting of sorrow was performed.
दुख की शूटिंग अज्ञानता के आधार पर होती है या ज्ञान के आधार पर होती है?
Is the shooting of sorrow performed on the basis of ignorance or knowledge?
अज्ञानता के आधार पर होती है.
It is performed on the basis of ignorance.
जरूर अज्ञान आ गया है कि ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है.
You definitely have the ignorance that drama is harmful.
तो दुख की शूटिंग होगी.
Then you will perform the shooting of being sorrowful.
मुक्ति अर्थात दुखों से मुक्ति.
Liberation means liberation from sorrow.
जीवन मुक्ति अर्थात जीवन भी रहे और जीवन में रहते हुए दुख शांति का अनुभव न करे.
Liberation in life means you are alive as well as you don't experience sorrow and restlessness while being alive.
सुख शांति का अनुभव करे.
You experience happiness and peace.
दुख की बातों में से भी सुख की बात निकाले.
You find happiness even in sorrow.
ड्रामा के हर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को सुखदायी समझे.
You should consider the drama to be joy-giving from every point of view.
ड्रामा कल्याणकारी है.
Drama is beneficial.
कोई भी हालत में ड्रामा कल्याणकारी नहीं है.
It isn't harmful in any case.
जब ऐसी स्टेज बन जाएगी,
When you attain such a stage,
तो आत्मा जीवन मुक्ति का अनुभव करे.
the soul will experience liberation in life.
लेकिन वही जीवन मुक्ति का अनुभव कर सकते हैं जो रूहानी स्टेज में टिके हुए होंगे.
But only those who are stabilized in the spiritual stage can experience it.
Now, the journey of continuous remembrance and the teaching you received. You have to prove yourselves by assimilating them in your life and practice. Avyaktvani dated 21st January 1969, page 23, beginning.
जो जितना श्रीमत पर चलने वाले हैं वो ज्यादा समय तक स्थायी रहते हैं.
The more someone follows Srimad, the longer they stay steadfast.
श्रीमत पर कम चलने वाले हैं या देहधारियों से ज्यादा प्रभावित होने वाले हैं, तो वो कन्वर्ट होना जल्दी शुरू हो जाते हैं.
If they follow Srimad less, or if they become more influenced by the bodily beings, they start converting to other religions sooner.
सारा मदार श्रीमत पर है.
Everything is based on Srimad.
What is the sign of affection? Shedding 2 tears isn't called affection, but having affection for the thing he had affection is called affection. So, love for service, love for his orders, is called affection. Avyaktavani dated 21st January 1969, page 23, middle.
इसमें तो बहुत अचल स्थायी बुद्धि चाहिए। किसमें?
Your intellect should be very stable and constant for this. For what?
ड्रामा को और ड्रामा के राज को समझने के लिए।
To understand the drama and its secret.
ड्रामा अनुसार बाप को गालियां देते हैं।
They insult the father according to the drama.
हर बात में क्या लगा देना चाहिए?
What should you use for everything?
कुछ भी होता है, समझ में नहीं आता है, तो क्या कहना चाहिए?
If anything happens that you don't understand, what should you say?
ड्रामा।
It is drama.
ऐसी अवस्था बच्चों की चाहिए।
The children should have such stage.
जब तक अवस्था नहीं हो तो फिर पुरुषार्थ भी कैसा है?
What kind of purusharth is it until you attain such stage?
पहले तो अवस्था अपनी अडोल चाहिए।
First, your state should be steady.
कुछ भी हो, भल कोई बड़ा तूफान आ जावे, भूकंप हो जावे, मगर मन बुद्धि स्थायी रहना चाहिए, अडोल रहना चाहिए।
No matter what happens, even if a big storm occurs, if an earthquake occurs, the mind and intellect should be constant. It should be steady.
माया के तूफान तो ढेर के ढेर आवेंगे।
Numerous storms of Maya will occur.
क्या?
What?
जब तक 63 जन्मों का हिसाब किताब पूरा नहीं हुआ है, तब तक ये माया के तूफान तो आते ही रहेंगे।
Until the karmic accounts of the 63 births are settled, these storms of Maya will keep occurring.
पिछाड़ी तक आवेंगे।
They will occur till the end.
क्या?
What?
ये माया के तूफान ठहरने वाले नहीं हैं।
These storms of Maya aren't going to stop.
तो अवस्था मजबूत चाहिए।
So, your state should be firm.
कई बच्चे तो पुरुषार्थ करते तूफान को उड़ाते रहते हैं।
Many children keep overcoming storms while making purusharth.
जितने जास्ती तूफान आते हैं, जितना माया प्रकोप करती है, उतना उनका पुरुषार्थ तीव्रतर होता जाता है।
The more the storms occur, the more furious Maya becomes. Their purusharth becomes intense to that extent.
बाप के साधारण बच्चे होंगे या असाधारण बच्चे होंगे?
Will they be the ordinary children of the father or extraordinary children of the father?
हैं? असाधारण बच्चे होंगे।
They will be the extraordinary children.
तो बाप कहते हैं जितना जो पास होता जाएगा माया की परीक्षा में, उतना वो ऊंच पद पावेगा।
So, the father says, the extent to which someone passes in the examination of Maya, he will receive a high position to that extent.
राजधानी में ऊंचे और नीचे पद तो होते हैं ना?
There are certainly high and low positions in the capital, aren't there?
Now, you have to give the proof of affection. This is also a game of hiding. So, churn the ocean of thoughts. Don't churn about the tumult. Reveal the power that you have received. Avyaktavani dated 21st January 1969, page 23, end.
उन्हें ये पक्का निश्चय हो गया कि हमें तो परमात्मा बाप मिल गया।
They have firm faith that they have found the Supreme Soul Father.
हमें क्या दरकार?
What else do they need?
ज्ञान क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है तो न सही।
If the knowledge isn't clear, let it be.
जब टाइम आएगा तब क्लियर हो जाएगा।
When the time comes, it will become clear.
ज्ञान में चलते चलते बाबा ऐसा ट्रिक बता देगा जो कि मालूम पड़ जाएगा।
बता देगा नहीं, सारी ट्रिक बता दी है।
Student, while following the knowledge, Baba will tell us such a trick that we will come to know. Baba, he won't tell it to you. In fact, he has already told you all the tricks.
अब ज्ञान सुनाने के लिए कुछ रह नहीं गया है.
Now, there is no more knowledge left to narrate.
सारा ज्ञान जितना भी बाप के पास था वो सारा ज्ञान बच्चों को दे दिया है.
Whatever knowledge the father had, he has given the entire knowledge to the children.
सारे फार्मूले बता दिए हैं.
He has told you all the formulae.
वो फार्मूले सिर्फ याद रखने की जरूरत है.
You just need to remember them.
उस अलौकिक दुनिया में जीवन जीने की जरूरत है.
You need to live your life in that alaukic world.
लौकिक दुनिया से संन्यास लेने की जरूरत है.
You need to renounce the laukic world.
लौकिक में रहते बुद्धि कहाँ रहे?
Where should your intellect be while living in the laukic world?
अलौकिक में बनी रहे.
It should be engaged in the alaukic world.
कोई क्षण ऐसा न जाए जो लौकिक बुद्धि हो जाए.
There should be no moment when your intellect becomes worldly.
एडवांस नॉलेज के ब्राह्मणों का जो संगठन है वो पढ़ाई तो परिपूर्ण है. सारी पढ़ाई दी गई है. सिर्फ अभी प्रैक्टिकल में लाने की दरकार है.
As regards the gathering of the Brahmins having the advanced knowledge, their studies are certainly complete. The entire study has been taught. The only thing needed is to put it in practice.
प्रैक्टिकल में लाने के लिए कायदे अनुसार चलन होनी चाहिए. बेकायदे चलन न हो.
Your conduct should be as per the rules in order to put it in practice. It shouldn't be against the rules.
समाज के कायदे होते हैं.
There are the rules of the society.
सरकार के कायदे होते हैं.
There are the rules of the government.
और ईश्वरीय कायदे कानून भी.
And there are the Ishwariya rules and regulations too.
कोई भी प्रकार के कायदे कानून का उल्लंघन न हो.
You shouldn't violate any kind of rules and regulations.
जो कुछ भी हो कायदे कानून में बंधा हुआ हो.
Whatever you do should be according to the rules and regulations.
अगर इस तरह बैलेंस में रहते हुए हम अपनी राजयोग की प्रैक्टिकल और थ्योरी की पढ़ाई को पूरी करें तो जरूर हमको वो पवित्रता की पावर प्राप्त करने में सफलता मिलेगी.
If we complete both the theoretical and practical study of Raj Yoga by maintaining a balance, we will certainly succeed in achieving the power of purity.
Now, children have to show their study. The teacher doesn't have to show the study. The teacher has to teach knowledge. Students have to show their study. The Shaktis and Pandavas have to stand in the showcase. Bap Dada is certainly hidden. Avyakt Vani dated 2nd February 1969, page 30, middle.
और संगम युग कब तक?
Until when is the confluence age?
जब तक पूरी स्थापना हो न हो, जब तक पूरी पालना प्रत्यक्ष न हो और जब तक पूरा विनाश प्रत्यक्ष न हो, पूरा विनाश न हो, तब तक संगम युग चलेगा.
Until the complete establishment takes place, until the complete sustenance is revealed, and until the complete destruction is revealed, until the complete destruction takes place, the confluence age will continue.
Baba has said, the task of establishment which took place in the beginning, and the way it took place, it will happen the same way till the end. Avyakt Vani dated 21st January 1969, page 25, middle.
तो ये भगवान की शक्ति है. भगवान आकर जो बात सुनाते हैं वो एक ही बात सुनाते हैं.
So, this is God's shop. God narrates only one thing when He comes.
वो बात कभी बदलती नहीं है।
That thing never changes.
अर्थ बदल सकता है,
Its meaning may change,
परंतु अर्थ का अनर्थ नहीं हो सकता।
but it can't become meaningless.
तो ये ड्रामा है।
So, this is drama.
Even when the revelation began, you saw it in the gathering. Even in the end, souls have to stay in the form of a gathering, and there is a gathering now in the middle too. If you have the power of gathering, no one can shake you. Look, Bap Dada has selected souls from different places and formed the gathering. When the children also move ahead in the gathering, there won't be Maya's attack. For example, if there is a rose or any flower, it will be kept in a suitable place. And if there is a single leaf, it will soon be crushed. So, if the children also have a bouquet-like gathering, they will keep gaining victory. No one will be able to attack them. Avyaktvani dated 18th January 1969, page 11, beginning.
अभी सच्चाई है हमारे पास।
Now you have the truth.
एडवांस नॉलेज है,
You have the advanced knowledge.
लेकिन इस एडवांस नॉलेज के ऊपर हमको ही निश्चय होता रहता है।
But you yourself keep coming in the cycle of faith and doubt on it.
हम स्वयं ही अपने ऊपर अनिश्चय पैदा कर लेते हैं।
You have doubt on yourself.
अपनी आत्मा के स्वरूप के ऊपर हम निश्चय नहीं पैदा कर पाते कि हम किसके बच्चे हैं।
You are unable to have faith on the form of your soul, thinking, whose children we are,
किसने हमको अपनाया है,
who has adopted us,
हम कैसे ऊंचे ऊंचे हैं।
how we are the highest among all.
तो न आत्मा के ऊपर निश्चय होता है, न परमात्मा बाप के ऊपर पूरा निश्चय होता है।
So, you neither have complete faith on the soul, nor do you have complete faith on the Supreme Soul Father.
और न इस ड्रामा के कल्याणकारी स्वरूप के ऊपर निश्चय होता है।
You don't have faith on the beneficial form of this drama either.
क्या ये बुद्धि में बैठता है?
Does this sit in the intellect?
क्या
What?
ये ड्रामा सारा का सारा कल्याणकारी
This whole drama is beneficial.
है? बैठ रहा है। कुछ अकल्याण का काम होता है तब हिल जाते हैं कि नहीं हिल जाते?
Student, it does. Is it sitting in the intellect? What about when something harmful happens? Do you shake or not?
हिल जाते हैं, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
You do. So what does it mean?
ड्रामा कल्याणकारी हो गया।
The drama is harmful.
बाबा समझाते हैं, भला भी लगता है कि ये ड्रामा कल्याणकारी नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं हुआ।
Baba explains, although it seems that the drama isn't beneficial now, whatever happened wasn't good.
लेकिन अंत में पता चलेगा कि जो हुआ सो अच्छा हुआ।
But you will come to know in the end that whatever happened was good.
इसमें हिलने डुलने की बात नहीं है।
There is nothing to shake in it.
अगर ऐसा न होता है तो हमारा ज्यादा अकल्याण हो जाता है।
Hadn't it happened, you would have been harmed all the more.
Now, be united in opinion, be constant, introspective, and stable in the subtle stage and then come in relation with someone. Bap Dada will see the result of this very examination that he is declaring. Avyaktvani dated 21st January 1969, page 22, beginning.
परीक्षा के बाद पता चले कि हमको कितना निश्चय है।
We will come to know after the examination how much faith do I have
और कहाँ तक निश्चय,
and to what extent do I have it.
नहीं तो बाबा को ये बोलने की क्या दरकार पड़ती? गीता पाठशाला वालों को गीता पाठशाला छोड़नी पड़ेगी।
Otherwise, what is the need for Baba to say, those belonging to the Gita Pathshalas will have to leave them.
मधुबन वालों को मधुबन छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
Those who belong to Madhuban will have to leave Madhuban.
ज्ञान सरोवर वालों को ज्ञान सरोवर छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
Those who belong to Gyan Sarovar will have to leave the Gyan Sarovar.
वो हद का ज्ञान सरोवर ईंटों वाला ही नहीं,
Not just that limited Gyan Sarovar made of bricks.
जो अभी एडवांस में बड़े ज्ञानी बन रहे हैं, उनको ज्ञान की बातें छोड़ देनी पड़ेंगी। ये सब
Those who consider themselves to be very knowledgeable in the advanced knowledge now will have to leave the points of knowledge. They will say, all this is false.
हम तो कहीं फंस गए थे, ये तो सब झूठा निकला।
We got trapped somewhere. All this turned out to be false.
बाबा ऐसे परीक्षा क्यों आएंगी?
आई क्यों का क्या सवाल? ड्रामा में क्यों थोड़ा ही होता है।
Student, Baba, why will such an examination come? Why do you raise the question of why? There is no why in the drama.
माला में नंबर ऐसे ही ले लेंगे।
Will you simply receive a rank in the rosary?
अगर ये परीक्षा ना आए तो आपका माला में तो आपका पहला नंबर बना रहेगा।
If there isn't this examination, you will have the first rank in the rosary.
ऐसी परीक्षा ना हो।
Student, such an examination shouldn't come.
ना नंबर कैसे बनेंगे?
It shouldn't come? Arey? Then how will the ranks be declared?
पास कैसे होंगे?
Another student, then how will we pass?
अगर परीक्षा ना आए तो परीक्षा का रिजल्ट कैसे निकलेगा?
Then, if there isn't the examination, how will the result of the examination be declared?
रिजल्ट निकलना है कि नहीं निकलना है?
Does the result have to be declared or not?
कौन 8 के दाने बनेंगे?
Who will become the beads of the rosary of 8?
कौन 108 के दाने बनेंगे?
Who will become the beads of the rosary of 108?
108 की माला में आने वाले हैं।
Who will come in the rosary of the 108 beads?
कौन ब्रह्मा की 1000 भुजाओं की माला में आने वाले हैं?
Who will come in the rosary of the 1000 arms of Brahma?
कौन 16000 की लिस्ट में आने वाले हैं?
Who will come on the list of the 16,000 beads?
16000 में कौन सा नंबर है?
Who has which number in the rosary of the 16,000 beads?
रुद्र यज्ञ रचते हैं तो 1,00,000-2,00,000 शालिग्राम बनाते हैं। कौन 1,00,000-2,00,000 शालिग्रामों की लिस्ट में कौन आने वाले हैं?
When they organize the Rudra Yajna, they prepare 100 to 200,000 shaligrams. Who will come on the list of those 100 to 200,000 shaligrams? Shaligrams are small round pebbles worshipped in the path of bhakti.
फिर 9 लाख में कौन आने वाले हैं?
Then who will come in the rosary of 900,000 beads?
फिर सतयुग में आने वाले 2 करोड़ हैं।
Then there are 2 crore souls who come in the golden age.
उस लिस्ट में आने वाले कौन हैं?
Who will come in that list?
त्रेता में 10 करोड़ हैं। त्रेता के अंत में
There are 100 million souls in the end of the silver age.
उस लिस्ट में भी कोई आने वाले होंगे कि नहीं?
Will there be some who come even in that list or not?
कलयुग के अंत में 500 करोड़ हैं।
There are 5 billion souls in the end of the iron age.
सब आत्माओं को अपने पार्ट का पता चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा?
Will all the souls come to know about their part or not?
है? नहीं चलेगा।
Won't they?
चलेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? परीक्षा हुए बगैर।
If they know it, how will they know it? Without having an examination.
बाकी पढ़ाई कमजोर होती है, वो परीक्षा से डरते हैं।
As for the rest, those who are weak in studies are afraid of examinations.
जिन्होंने अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई पढ़ी वो कहेंगे कल होती हो तो आज हो जाए।
Those who have studied well will say, if the examination is to happen tomorrow, it should happen today.
Even if there is one powerful gathering, they will pull each other and the gathering of the rosary of 108 will become one. The rosary will also look beautiful only when there is the thread of unity in opinions and closeness of sanskars. Avyaktvani dated 9th December 1975, page 272, end.
आज में भी ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया में विनाश लीला हुई थी।
There was the play of destruction in the Brahmin world in the beginning too.
टूट गई है माला, मोती बिखर गए।
The rosary was broken and the pearls have scattered.
2 दिन रहकर साथ न जाने किधर गए।
They stayed with me for 2 days and I don't know where they have gone.
आदि में भी बाबा माला बनाते थे,
Baba used to prepare rosary in the beginning too.
वो माला पूरी नहीं हुई,
That rosary didn't become complete.
अंत में भी माला बनेगी.
The rosary will be prepared in the end too.
जो आदि सो अंत.
As is the beginning, so is the end.
Those who stay firm till the end, they will have visions. Then, that itself will be the bhatti of the gathering. Service will be over. Now, you have scattered here and there because of service. Then, all the rivers will merge into the ocean. However, the time will be delicate. Though means are available, they won't work. This is why the line of the intellect should be very clear, so that it has this touching as to what is to be done then. If you are late even by a second, you lose. Avyaktvani dated 6th March 1985, page 214, beginning.
जो भी धार्मिक सीरियल हम देखते हैं उनका अंत क्या होता है?
What is the end of all the mythological serials that we watch?
अंत सुखदायी होता है या दुखदायी होता है?
Is the end joyous or is it sorrowful?
फिर
Student, it is joyous. Then,
अंत में विजय किसकी है?
who will become victorious in the end?
है? अरे
Arey,
विजय हमारी निश्चित है. विजय तुम्हारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है.
our victory is certain. Victory is your birthright.
आखिरी विजय हमारी है ही है.
The final victory is definitely ours.
तो खुशी में रहना चाहिए.
So, you should be happy.
जितना युद्ध होता है होने दो.
Let the war happen to any extent.